So I had an opportunity today to visit a conference room that I put wall upholstery up in 33 years ago using a SnapTrack system that allowed me to pad the walls to kill sound, as well as put a tracking system up that you can't see, it's invisible, that allows for replacement of fabric. This fabric put up in panel woods of 3 feet and 6 feet. And we did this room in 3 days, and it came out great. And it's still here 30 years later. And the fabric is still intact, but if we ever wanted to replace it, we could do that. This is a radius cut, so we've got track here that comes out on a curve, snaps in around the fabric. This was done in Medina, Ohio. And this is what fabric track systems look like. There's a lot of names for it. We do it under a private label. And we can use various tracks. We can use different profiles and depths, or what we would call thicknesses of product, and pad it in different ways with polyester or insulation material, or even just sound deadening material, or even corkboard. This is what a track system would look like.